Hi everyone, today I want to share with you how to install ZeroShell router on VirtualBox and connect it with Linux. So open your VirtualBox and click on a new, just type a name like ZeroShell or Zeroshell1. The type, it's not Windows. ZeroShell is Linux version, and choose 32-bit because it's ISO file. The RAM memory 512 is more than enough. And create virtual disk now. Next and next. Keep it like this and create it. So we have to do some options. So go to the settings and networks. Enable the adapter tool and choose internal network. Give it a name or keep this name like this and go to adapter 3. Choose host only adapter. And start it. Here you have to choose your ISO file. Click on add and Zeroshell. Start. And now you have to go to installation manager. So select letter A. Here it says you have to choose from 1 to 1. So it's logic 1 and enter. Are you sure you want to continue? Sure. Absolutely yes. Just skip it. Enter. And skip it. Enter. Yeah. Press on enter. The hostname is Zeroshell.example.com. That's good. And the password is admin. Yeah. Oh, sorry guys. I mean the password is Zeroshell and the name is admin. So press on enter. And here you will get the internet from your PC. So it's host only adapter actually. And here if you go back to VirtualBox and to the networks. Adapter 3 is host only adapter. So choose number 3. And you have to get the IP address of the host only adapter. Go to your PC, cmd, and type id config. This one. So when you find Ethernet adapter VirtualBox host only network, look for this IP address, this one, and the subnet mask. So write this IP address. Yeah, here you can't write one because your PC is already used it. So write something else like 178 and press enter. Good, you get this net mask. So everything is good. At this moment I'm not going to give it the default gateway. Press enter again. Yeah. Now select letter D and letter A to active the profile. A. Choose one. Enter and yes. When the restart has done, select letter I and you see this IP address 192.168.56.178. Go to your browser and type it. Click here. Yeah. The username is admin and the password is ZeroShell. Login. Now go to the network. You see this network card has already an IP address. This one. This should has also an IP address and it will be dynamic IP. So click here and you see it's disabled. It has to be enabled. Yeah. This will get the IP address from your VirtualBox. So it's got it. The second one, and the second network card should get IP address, but it will not be dynamic IP. It should be static IP address. So click here. I have this IP address. Maybe you have another IP address. So type it and type the net mask. Click on OK. Nice. You have it here. So guys, I have to say one of these three network cards is not go to the VirtualBox. Here, the first one is not. So go here, click on the NAT and choose the second one. Here is sorry, the first one here is the NAT is the first one, the first network card. So click here on the first network card, then here. Save and close it. Now go to DNS domain name server, then forwarders. The domain should be Ani and 8.8.8.8. Add. You have to see it here. Then close to save it. Now we are finished with the settings of ZeroShell. We want to test it. Go back to setup. You see the date has changed to 2081. Now go to Untitles and type here hostname like google.com and check it. You have to get error here by the arrows. You see, that's great. So the ZeroShell works. Very good. You can close your browser. Yeah. Then you don't close the ZeroShell from here. Please type H, then yes, to don't lose any data. Now, to connect your Linux system with a ZeroShell router, go to Ubuntu or Linux anyway, your network, and here choose internal network, and you see here the name is the same. We are finished, so thank you for watching guys, and good luck.